Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jelena and I'm so glad to have you on my channel. I hope you will enjoy watching my video and I hope you will decide to stick around. Today's video is going to be finally my house tour decorated for Christmas. If I had to say what style I have when it comes to decorations for Christmas, I probably wouldn't able to get one answer. My decorations are mostly collected over the years and most of them have such a huge meaning to us. They're either gifted to us or they are made by us or by my kids, or they're just bought at a certain time in our lives or a certain place. So pretty much everything in my house means something to us, and every decorations has a story. So maybe not everything goes together, but I really like everything. So when I turn around and look at something, it tells a story. A lot of the decor that I have in my house is kid friendly. If something is breakable, I usually keep it up high on a shelf or hidden behind something where kids don't really go. Otherwise, I really don't mind if kids decorate Christmas tree with me. I actually love that. If they play around something, if they use some decoration, if they look at it, touch it, I really don't mind it. I want them to enjoy Christmas season. I want them to enjoy the decorations and explore, and it's totally okay. A lot of the decor that you're going to see in this video, you probably saw in my previous videos. I made some of the Christmas ornaments and also some of the decor that I put on shelves. I will definitely link all that in cards or in the end screen, also in the description box. I have a whole playlist for Christmas videos, so you can go ahead and check all that out. Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. If you noticed, I like to reuse some of my decor and I only change the little details on it, like this lantern. I just change the bows. Also this huge candlestick I keep year round and I just change the bow, or actually sometimes I don't put bow at all. Chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the January. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. This table centerpiece is very similar to what I made last year and I really liked it, so I wanted to recreate it. I'm gonna also have that video linked in the Christmas playlist. The only thing that I would like to change next year, and we'll see how that goes, is I would like to flock this tree. I always like the flocked look on a Christmas tree, but we absolutely love the way this Christmas tree looks like. We like that it's big, and we don't want to change it. The only thing I want to change, like I said, is try to flock it. So we'll see how it goes next year. You definitely will be included in that DIY.
Time for all to settle down. Leave their worries all.
The other night I was sitting after everybody went to sleep, and I was editing video, and then I looked around and I saw these lights on my mantle, and I looked at my Christmas tree, and I absolutely loved the cozy feeling that it gives me. So this clip of the video that you're looking at right now is what I filmed sitting from my couch, and that's exactly what I saw. I love that feeling. It is just so cozy and so warm. I have a video where I decorated my front porch that will be also linked in the description box, so you guys can go ahead and check that out. For the outside, the only thing that we would like to add next year is maybe few more lawn decorations and a few more lightning wreaths. Otherwise, we really like the way it looks like. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, as always, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already part of it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.